Selling your home for top dollar is a science, and negotiation skills are critical to netting you the most amount of money. It starts with the lead follow-up. We follow up aggressively with every open house guest, with every showing agent, to gauge interest, ask questions, and get feedback for you as the seller. This includes the good, the bad, and the ugly. We answer questions about your home and ask the right questions to try to put a deal together. We know the difference between locking in a buyer and not is addressing the feedback we've received and then making the necessary adjustments to that feedback. Sometimes that could be as simple as a paint or carpet issue, and by offering a credit, we might be able to lock in a buyer, but without asking those questions, we'll never know if that buyer was the right buyer for your home. Identifying the right offer is more than just accepting the highest offer. It's comparing net sheets, making phone calls to lenders and having honest conversations. It's about having the right title reps and escrow officers in place. It's about going over the details of the loan and how each loan type can affect the sale, such as FHA appraisals, which can stick to your property for up to 6 months. The devil's in the details, and you need to know what you're accepting. Negotiations can go well into escrow, and that's why you need a professional who can handle any unforeseen obstacle that happens during the escrow process.